Here I have VIVAX Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the storage section, then tap on the SanDisk SD card, then tap here, go to the storage settings and select format. Then confirm it by tapping format SD card. After a few seconds, SD card will be formatted. And as you can see, your SD card is ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.